In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to create a PIN to restore your end-to-end encryption code on Facebook using your PC. Protect your conversations and secure your data by following these simple steps. To get started, open messenger.com on your computer and locate your profile photo in the corner. Click on it to access your account settings. Next, navigate to the Privacy and Safety section and select End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Within the End-to-End Encrypted Chats menu, find and click on Secure Storage. This will lead you to the option to create your unique PIN. Click on Create PIN and enter a secure and memorable PIN of your choice. Once you've entered your PIN, click on Save to confirm and activate it. Your PIN is now set up to restore your end-to-end encryption code securely on Facebook. By creating a PIN for your encrypted chats, you add an extra layer of security to your conversations and ensure that your data remains protected. Stay tuned for more valuable tips on enhancing your privacy and security settings on Facebook. Thank you for watching and empowering yourself with the knowledge to safeguard your online interactions. Remember, your privacy matters.